Yeah, I know what y'all are thinking. You're probably wondering, why did he put these brakes on with grooves on it? Actually, the grooves are an illusion. They're not that deep. Plus, the problem with it was my place that was doing the brake turning, their machine is broke. And in order for me to do that, I'd have to go all the way across town, which I don't have time. I have to use this car. It's my main mode of transportation at this time. So this is the one that I'm using. So fortunately for me, the brakes are not that bad. The grooves are not deep at all. It's only on the surface. So we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on, and I will resurface it the next time I do brakes, which is gonna be, I don't know, 6 months from now or something like that. So let's get the show on the road. What's up, Globetrotters? Alright, as you know, we got the brakes done on this Chevrolet Aveo or Sail, whatever you want to call it, depending on what region of the world you're in. Sorry about my voice. I just got back from getting just a quick cold. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go take this thing for a high-speed brake test to break it in, bedding the brakes. It was kind of like scary getting here in this, you know, where I'm at right now. The brakes they fade real quick if they're just completely done and they're not, you know, if you have brand new pads on them and things like that, they fade very quickly, so you have to be very careful. So you can't drive too fast. But I did the best to set it as good as I could. Alright, so the order of the day, we're going to go and bed these brakes right now at about 80 to 100 kph, kilometers per hour. You know, I don't even know how many miles per hour that is. I think that's like 55, 60, something like that. Don't know about this metric stuff. So that's what we're going to do today. And once we get the brakes bedded, just like the other vehicles, this thing is done. All right. Pretty smooth. Now you see that, guys? Those grooves that we saw earlier, they're even gone. Alright, let's go to the other side. Okay. It's looking better. I can smell it. That looks pretty good though for rotors that weren't turned, but I will get them next time, so you know.